Right then, the bullwhip can be quite confused for a mill. It has a very similar fashion and similar look to it. So a single arm 360 kind of looks like that, and inward mill is a bit more across the shoulder. Now the bullwhip can look very similar. However, as you may have just noticed there's a lot more torso twist involved in the bullwhip. So what I like to do is put one arm out and we throw the mace over the arm so it goes round, over and then behind. From this point, once it goes behind into that sort of pendulum position, you initiate the movement with your torso. So you really try and drag that torso round so your body becomes square with the direction you want to throw the mace, and we wrench that lat and elbow to cast the mace forward, which is a little bit different to, say, a single arm 360. So if I stand at the side and do a single arm 360, you see the chest stays largely pointing forward relative to my feet, but with a bullwhip, we wrench forward, and now the chest, my feet are pointing that way, my chest is pointing that way, okay? So when you want to do a bullwhip, remember it's up and it's torso pull. And we can do a swoop, up, torso, and pull. And of course, always practice this on the other side as well. Whew.